Take a ride in the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, heated rear seats, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
With Lincoln Certified Pre-Owned Vehicles, you can rest assured that you're getting a vehicle you can count on. All Lincoln Certified vehicles go through a thorough inspection by factory-trained technicians and come with a comprehensive warranty. And just to ease your mind, they also provide 24/7 roadside assistance. Check out your local Lincoln dealer today to find out all the other benefits buying a Lincoln Certified vehicle can offer you.